Hello friends, how to make money? How to make money on YouTube? The lot of effective strategy. I can present the seven strategy and in my videos. How to make money on YouTube? YouTube has a lot of system. The YouTube make money. I'm the one system. The sales in YouTube on March. Maybe you identify and create and feed the European sponsor and details. Always the your entered the first videos created a sponsor match the providing and that the product or strategy. It is all the much ability to make money on social media and especially on YouTube. The step one, the imaging and design your products. The marching for your channel is a made broad response and free your audience and contain with you. That means your march and should be unique. However, YouTube start rate high launch his milk brace engage. Drink, niche milk and labels the properties eat this viral candy. When also sell t-shirt and others match and online shopping etc your niches. You might have to idea the mass then can the publish stock. So start by dropping and so wire on the two items. But make sure you engage an audience great make more than your own bills and your defense on of products relating being subject. Step 2, source and the build products. It must crazes you will need friends and the whole make and delivers your products. Some supplier will drive to you, some will sponsor you the hardest to inquiry, shopping and return by hire the tables. If you not sure when to start, check the and the Shopify how to and the others topic the Frank's break third more companies to make identify and the create. Step 3, create your response at landing page and need and hide and this towards YouTube receipt. Enable YouTube partner matching sheet. YouTube partner can also use the praise that channel and high bills forwards and this enable. Step 5, promote your product in your videos. This is why your chain came who use their much in your videos, who have budget and are the using if you went to another platforms to mind call which use generate create and progression source code. And don't forget the stock and link video description including in SaaS campaign and call action. Top tip, don't fret thank you because it's policy, but also it extend remind people how great and popular your products and great popular. Create sponsor content. How don't have to be Instagram to be influencer that advertise on or the sponsor targeted don't have given YouTube cut your earning. Ukraine details with brand and pay your identity. No one this popular way to YouTube make money. If you can offer brand a large and engaged audience, your content relation that right in make for increase YouTube and not on and mention is a big than man's lifetime space big how big the have and videos that explain has brand partnership and because partners how much the paid cash step the find and the brand and partner we quality is the important when the come this name you work with the probably already have it is the life of dream brand. However, when almost in for the state or branding yourself a browse style, make sure you perfect your brand practice before you send. Also consider sign up with an influencer marketing the platform. This is the identify as make them an influencer, which is the make them for YouTube and encourage. Step 2 make an ideals. According the reason by influencer marketing the platform YouTube videos are the average the most experienced type of sponsor content brands can be buy from influencer basically YouTube influencer are the able to charge more there are videos that than how from Instagram stories or Facebook post because video just more explain to products while you are will vary one of audience size engagement and relevance to product and potential how when before using the content. Step 3 the transcription about your sponsor and ad. Because an affiliate partner, if your YouTube audience is blabblish and engaged but not quality, there are you headcount weeks low the company's investigation in affiliate marketing. YouTube affiliate which is the because encourage and views or to visit brand online store and specific product partner. Then is the partner sells more through your guys affiliate link. In team, the step to looking affiliate partner some of idea follows and this good step. Great your friends pray your documentary. The strategy for making money on YouTube include a few different income start streams, but they're all on the high come is make and great and how to lovely where the people question said etc etc. YouTube offers the ability then views pay and because the member of YouTube channel. They extend the great custom enjoy brand access member only etc. Thank you my friend. Best of luck. Please subscribe my channel and how to make money the online platform and YouTube platform. YouTube platform is the best platform. How to make money on YouTube. Thank you. Best of luck.